Breaking news coming this hour. Sources within the BJP feel that it is becoming increasingly difficult to convince party veteran Jaswant Singh, he should think about the future prospects of his son as well. This is going out from the party high command. If Jaswant Singh stays, he always has an option of becoming a governor and represent India at international forums. Party leaders are currently trying to convince him to not stand and contest as an independent candidate from Barmer. But now it's all on Jaswant Singh to take the final call. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Aditi Ananthanarayanan, who's joining us live from the national capital. Aditi, interesting developments. The BJP increasingly trying to reach out to Jaswant Singh and try and woo him with plum posts.
Absolutely, Simia. Now the decision is completely on Jaswant Singh, what exactly he wants to do. In fact, we were talking to a few BJP sources here in the national capital, and what we are getting to know is now it's become a little difficult for the BJP leaders here in the national capital to go ahead and convince the veteran leader. In fact, there are various options they are saying that are in front of Jaswant Singh. Jaswant Singh isn't new in the political fraternity. He understands the nuances of politics, and only a seat cannot decide whether or not he is important for the party or not. He is a senior leader. He is definitely an integral part of the party, and that is why he always should think that if he's not been given the seat of Barmer from where he wanted to contest during the Lok Sabha polls, he always has an option of becoming the governor and probably even represent India in international forums, given the fact that he has held very crucial positions in the NDA regime in the past. He could use that in the future as well. What we're also getting to know, Simi, at this point of time, that he might also have an option to become the vice president in the NDA rule if the BJP comes to power. And also the fact, Simi, that many people who are even close to Jaswant Singh feel that at this stage, Jaswant Singh should not ignore the prospects, the political prospects that are in front of his son Manvendra. In fact, the BJP is also trying to woo him by saying that Manvendra, his son, who's currently a sitting MLA from the Barmer constituency, will get a berth in the cabinet in case he sticks around. So now it's completely the decision of Jaswant Singh whether he will actually take the plunge of moving away, going independent, and probably his son also moving away and going independent, or will he actually understand the nuances that the BJP is trying to explain to him, that he has future prospects, he has a major holding in the party, and that's why he will have a comfortable positioning even if it is his last term in the political fraternity. So completely now it's for Jaswant Singh. The BJP leaders out here feel that they have tried enough to convince him, but it looks a little difficult at this point of time, Simi, that Jaswant Singh will actually give in.
All right, Aditi, but it's also important to know that even as the BJP High Command is offering lucrative proposals to Jaswant Singh, it's still not willing to allow the senior veteran leader to contest from Barmer. We'll continue tracking developments. Thanks so much for that update. Sources are telling headlines today that with the heavyweights jumping the Congress ship, its senior leadership has opened back-channel talks with senior BJP leader Jaswant Singh, who's been sulking after being denied a ticket by the BJP from Barmer. Now, the BJP is trying to convince a stalwart who has been given three options. Option one, he could be made the vice president in case the NDA forms a government. The second option given to Jaswant Singh, other big role in the central government. He can also be made a governor of a state. So the BJP clearly trying to reach out to Jaswant Singh. The third option is that Manvendra may get a cabinet berth in Rajasthan. Manvendra, remember, is Jaswant Singh's son. He's also a politician in Rajasthan. Former Union Minister and BJP veteran Jaswant Singh, who has clearly been snubbed by his party, looks all set to resign from the BJP on Sunday. The stalwart turned rebel questioned the party's decision to force seniors to make way to accommodate outsiders. Remember, Singh wants to contest from Barmer, but the seat has been given to Colonel Sonaram, a Congress import.
जो मुझे आरंभिक वक्तव्य देना है और मैं जिस बाड़मेर पहुंचकर हमारे सामने चुनौती जो है वह असली बीजेपी और नकली बीजेपी के बीच है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के चरित्र, उसकी चाल, उसके सिद्धांतों पर जो अभी अतिक्रमण हुआ है, बहुत गंभीरता से सभी भारतीय जनता पार्टियों के जो समर्थक हैं उनको सोचना होगा।
मैं जरूर कहना चाहूँगा कि जहाँ तक श्री जसवंत सिंह जी का प्रश्न है, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक वरिष्ठ नेता हैं और उनका हम लोग बेहद सम्मान करते हैं। मैं समझता हूं किसी की प्रतिष्ठा और किसी के सम्मान का मूल्यांकन केवल टिकट के आधार पर नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। इन सब सारी चीजों से श्री जसवंत सिंह जी पूरी तरह से परे हैं और भारतीय जनता पार्टी निश्चित रूप से उनकी योग्यता, उनकी क्षमता, उनकी प्रतिभा का पूरा सदुपयोग करेगी।
पहली बात तो वो बूढ़े बुजुर्ग नहीं हैं, बल्कि सबसे मैच्योर्ड हैं, सबसे प्रभावशाली हैं और हमारे फ्रेंड, फिलोसफर, गाइड और गुरु की तरह है। लेकिन ये पार्टी के अंदर की बात है। पार्टी का पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड जो फैसला करता है, हम सर झुकाकर उसका पालन करते हैं, आदेश मानते हैं। अब पार्टी के अंदर जो भी चल रहा है उसके बारे में इस वक्त मेरा कुछ भी कहना, और खासकर चुनाव की घड़ी में जब हम सरकार बनाने के कगार पे हैं और एक्शन हीरो नरेंद्र मोदी को सामने लाने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल प्रधानमंत्री के तौर पे, उस समय ऐसी ऐसी बातें कुछ करना या ऐसी बातों पर टीका टिप्पणी करना मेरे लिए और पार्टी के लिए भी उचित नहीं होगा।
जसवंत सिंह एक और बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता, बल्कि जो कुछ 2-4 लोग बीजेपी में लिबरल थिंकिंग रखते हैं, सही सोच रखते हैं, ढंग की सोच रखते हैं, और पार्टी में जो एक सांप्रदायिक के रूप से उग्रवादी का एक विचारधारा, उसके विपरीत जो उनको ठंडा करते हैं, वैसे हर आदमी को वो दरकिनार कर रहे हैं।
And the supporters of BJP stalwart Jaswant Singh have gone on a rampage across several cities like Jodhpur and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Posters in support of Jaswant Singh have sprung up all over Jodhpur, but the BJP is in no mood to budge, even in the face of stiff opposition from supporters on the ground. Jaswant Singh's posters across various cities in Rajasthan have become a source of embarrassment for the BJP High Command and Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje.